Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making lobster, shrimp, and crab mac and cheese. Alright, so here's everything we'll need for the recipe. I have a pound of shrimp and 8 ounces of crab meat. I also boiled 1 lobster in an Old Bay seasoning and chopped it up. And then of course we're gonna need 2 eggs. Elbows mac and cheese. Campbell's cheddar cheese. Carnation milk. We're only gonna be using half a cup of this. And this is a little twist. I put cream of mushroom in it so it's creamy. Then I'm gonna be using these cheeses. Sharp cheddar. And white sharp cheddar. And then I also have Cracker Barrel sharp cheddar cheese. And then of course I'm going to be using salt and pepper, mainly because all of this stuff is already kind of salty because it's seafood and the lobster is already seasoned. Alright, so now let's get into the video. Alright, so we are back. I have just went off camera to boil the noodles. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a stick of butter, put it in there, and mix it up until it melts. Shouldn't take that long to melt because your noodles are already hot. Alright, I'm just going to add a generous amount of black pepper. And then I'm going to add salt. I'm not going to put too much salt because the cream of mushroom already has salt in it. And the crabs are already salty naturally. Alright, so now I'm going to add my cream of mushroom. And the canned cheese. All right, now I'm just gonna add in my seafood. By the way, when you guys do shrimp, make sure you cut it up instead of having like big chunks of shrimp in it. Now I'm just gonna add in the shrimp. Now I'm just gonna add in the crab meat. Okay, so I just chopped up the cheese from previously. Now I'm gonna add in my sharp white cheddar Kraft cheese. All right, so I'm only gonna use a half a can of this carnation milk. Then I'm gonna add in my 2 eggs. And now I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, so now that we're done, the last thing we have to do is just put 1 bag of cheddar cheese on top, put it in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes, and I'll be back with the finished results.
Go back.
Alright guys, so this is what it looks like fresh out the oven. I'm just gonna let it cool off and then I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm back and the mac and cheese is all cooled off. So we're just gonna cut us a piece. Do y'all see that lobster coming out of it? Like, look how cheesy this is. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I just plated it with some wings and a piece of Texas toast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have anything you would like me to make, just write it below in the comment section and I will gladly make it. Like I said before, all feedback is good, negative or positive feedback. And I'll see you guys in the next video.